2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, traction control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Imagine yourself in a comfortable chair, sipping champagne, eating caviar while getting a back rub. Now imagine you're a Volkswagen. That's what it's like at Volkswagen of Athens' all-new service center, with 13 fully equipped service bays, staffed by Volkswagen certified technicians who give your car expert care and even treat it to a complimentary car wash with every visit. Plus, with our loaner cars and courtesy shuttle, we take care of our customers as well as their cars. The all-new Volkswagen of Athens Service Center. VW, it's our way of life too.